Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and today I'm featuring another quick and easy card using the healing hugs. Like I said, I'm trying to stock up on get well cards because I feel like I almost never make them. So I feel like it's always important to make everyone know that you're thinking of them, especially when they are under the weather. So anyway, we're gonna be using this one, and today I'm using Highland Heather as my card base, which is one of the newest colors for Stampin' Up! After the revamp. And which, I don't know if I have said that, but during July we have a great promotion that if you join Stampin' Up! You actually get 10, you get one of the families from these, one of the families from the ink pads. So you get 10 colors, whichever you want, on top of whatever it's included on your kit. Now you can customize your kit, and the kit is $99, but you actually choose $125 worth of products. So with the new catalog, I think like everyone has a big wish list, and this will be the great deal for you because not only do you get those things, but you also get 10 of these colors because you just pick one of the families, and it could be the brights, the subtle, the wriggles, the neutrals, whichever you like. You get them for free on top of that. Not to mention that you also get one kit from Paper Pumpkin. So, which is one of the which is one of their kits, mail, kits on the mail that comes every month. So you can see what it is like. And so anyway, like I said, I feel like right now it's a great promotion. So let me know if you have any questions about that, and I'll sure put more information about it on my blog at creatingwithali.com. But anyway, so for this card, I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is, what do I do with my ruler? This one is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Yeah, 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then I have a piece of soft seafoam, which is 3/4 of an inch by 3.5, which honestly we'll see how much I need. I'll be cutting it, so the length is not that important, but that's a measurement. So for this one, I'm gonna be using scratch paper. I'm gonna start stamping. Now this is one of those new ink pads, and so this one opens like so, and then you just push it through and put it in place. That's it. Now when you are closing them, sometimes it's better if you push just as lightly, and then you can pull it again and close it like so. Now I gotta tell you that when they're brand new, they're a little bit tighter because they're new, but as you're using them they get looser. So now one of the things you also need to know is you put one of the the labels here that tells you which color it is. But there's also a second label that you can put here, that way you know exactly which color it is. This is one of the features that I love the most out of the new ink packs, because a lot of the times when I had multiple ink pads open, they all kind of look, I don't know if this is a good case, but they're kind of dark, and so you don't really know which color it is. So you can see this one is a soft sea foam, and you can hardly see it, but we have again another label, so it's easier for you to know which one you're using. So I'm going to be using the Highland Heather for my roses, and I'm going to go ahead and put some flowers here, and as usual just press firmly, do not rock it, and usually you just want to tap tap tap, and then stamp. You don't want to push too much through your ink pads. They're really juicy, and especially for these type of stamps where you have more details, you want it to not have an overflow of color, if you know what I mean. So like I said, you just tap 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 tap, and then we're gonna put a third one here. All right. Now as far as my leaves, we're gonna go and use the seafoam, and we're going to go ahead and put it like so. We're gonna put another one here. We're gonna add another one here. And I'm gonna be adding one here. And another one here. And then I'm going to be adding this one as well. I'm going to add another one here. And maybe another one here. There we go. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna close this one. When they're too tight, push a little bit. There's something right here. Just push a little bit, and then you'll get it here. Okay. Same thing with this one. Let's just close this one. Just push a little bit. Just a little bit. You have it here, pull it, and then close it. I'm going to be using the Early Espresso, and I'm using this one that says sending you healing vibes, and I'm going to be stamping right in the center, and there we go. I love the font on this set. I feel like Stampin' Up is doing each time even better. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and put these ones. All right, and this is why I said it doesn't really matter the length, because you end up cutting it. So just have a strip long enough to be able to put it. So we're gonna be putting this one like so. So now let's just bring this one. Oh. Give me a second. Give me a second here. And I'm going to be using Fast Fuse. You can use this now as well, which I'm starting to use now. Oh, and this is one of those that is causing an issue here. Let me see if I have another one here. Yes. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it right in the center. And then I'm going to be popping up this one. Now, I feel like I should use this one, you know. I think I might just use a little, or maybe, you know what, one of those little, I don't know if I want it like so, or if I do one of those where you just, no, I'm gonna just do a bow. How about that? I'll do a little bow. Yes, I think this would be better. And I'm gonna be cutting it. And then I'm going to be using a glue dot for this one. For this one, I'm going to be using dimensional, so let's just bring dimensionals here. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me see something here. Give me just 1 second. Oh. No, I thought I could use this one, but this one is pool party, so never mind. I don't know why I thought maybe this is the healing, the same sea foam. But it's not, so let's just stick with the plan. And then this one, I'm just gonna put it, actually, I'm just gonna put it like so here. And there we go. So here it is. So hopefully you have liked it. And again, don't forget about that that new incentive, or a special I should say, about the starter kit. I feel like that one is pretty cool because again, you get $125 worth of products for only $99, and there is no there's no shipping, so that's another saving. So you end up paying only about $107 with the taxes, and you get 10 colors because you get a full family of the colors from Stampin' Up! On the ink pads. So you can pick the subtles, the brights, the wriggles, whichever you like. You get 10 of these, the ones that come in the family all together, which I think is about $67-70 right there. So really is a pretty good deal. So anyway, plus you get to renew and get the new ink pads and the new colors. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, do subscribe, and also let me know if you have any questions in the comments, right? If you have any questions about that starter kit, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, thank you so much. Bye.